Every care home starts life on an architect's drawing board. At JLA, we've been working with architects and design teams for over 50 years, providing our expertise to help build energy-efficient care homes all over the UK and Ireland. We help at design stage to create cost-effective spaces. Laundry rooms are a speciality, so if you're not sure where to begin, here's our 8 steps to a successful build. Whether you're retrofitting an existing building or starting from scratch, smart design and stackable equipment can help you make the most of your space. Ideally, your laundry room needs to be on the ground floor. Keep it away from the main entrance and kitchen and with as much natural light as possible. Now we have the location, let's build the room. You'll need at least one external wall for ventilation panels and ducting, with enough space around your machines for access to service and maintain the kit. To reduce the risk of cross-contamination, your laundry room should be designed so that there's a soiled indoor and a clean outdoor. It's also best practice to divide your room into 1/3 wet and 2/3 dry. Drainage should go in the wet side of the room, while dryer ducts and air inlet panels should sit in the dry side. Laundry room floors should be solid concrete slab to help prevent machine vibrations and noise transmitting to adjacent rooms. If that isn't possible, we recommend a slab of concrete underneath your heavy washers. We would recommend installing a 3-phase power supply in your laundry, but machines vary in power output requirements, so it's worth consulting with your supplier before you finalize any plans. At JLA, we can help you install and maintain a full range of RAS-approved, energy-efficient commercial washers and tumble dryers. Many care homes also invest in JLA's unique Otex disinfection system. Installing Otex in your laundry is straightforward too. You'll need a 13-amp supply for the wall-mounted unit. Ventilation should be positioned at low level as ozone is heavier than air. And your fresh air vent should go directly behind the washers, with good accessibility for maintenance. Now it's time to add in the fixtures and fittings. We'd always recommend plenty of shelving, a folding table, and space for storing your essentials. We can also help you fully integrate all the equipment you'll need to maximize your space. When active, laundry rooms create a lot of noise and vibration. If you have quiet spaces or bedrooms close by, we'd consider soundproofing the walls. And there we have it. One compliant, energy-efficient and cost-effective laundry room. We know that every space is different. We can help shape yours. Get in touch with one of our care home experts today.